Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World. Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Italy, and please watch the full video. This place definitely amaze you, so let's start. In Italy, few places rank as high on travelers' bucket list as Italy. Whatever your taste in travel, you'll satisfy it in this country that is at once exotic and familiar. History, art, food, music, architecture, culture, sacred sites, charming villages, and stunning scenery are all around and in an atmosphere that only the most confirmed comedian could fail to enjoy. Plan your trip with our list of the best places to visit in Italy. The first one is Rome, both for its history as the capital of much of Europe and for its present day role as one of the Europe's most vibrant cities for most tourists traveling to Italy. Rome heads the list of places to visit, relics of its ancient glories, the Colosseum, the Forum, the Pantheon, the Appian Way, and the Palatine Hill, with the vast reaches of Vatican as the top attraction. But between the important sites like the Sistine Chapel and Michelangelo Pieta, take time to enjoy the city itself. Relax in the Borghese Gardens, eat gelato on the Spanish Steps, explore the narrow streets of Trastevere, shop on the Via Veneto, and toss a coin in Trevi Fountain so you can return again and again. It will take several trips to see it all. If you are already visited that place, then comment down your favorite place in Italy. The second one is Florence, the showcase of the Italian Renaissance. Florence can at times seems like one giant art museum. The Duomo, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, is a landmark of world architecture, topped by its gravity-defying massive dome together with its marble inlaid bell tower by Giotto and its octagonal baptistry with its incomparable bronze doors by Gimberti. This is one of the world's finest ensembles of Renaissance art. Half a dozen art museums brim with paintings and sculpture, while more masterpieces decorate its churches. Before you overdose on art in the Uffizi Gallery and Pitti Palace, stroll through the Boboli Gardens and explore the artisans, studios, and workshops of the Oltrarno, or shop for leather in Santa Croce. The third one is Tuscan hill towns. The undulating landscapes of Tuscany is crowned by stone towns whose foundations go back to the Etruscans. Each sits atop a hill, and many still have the castles and towers that once defended their commanding positions. It's difficult to choose one above the others, as each has its own architecture, art, character, and story to tell. Fairly bristling with towers and enclosed in walls that are largely intact, San Gimignano looks much as it did in the Middle Ages when it was an important stop of the pilgrims' route to Rome. Volterra was an important Etruscan center before the Romans came and still has remains of both civilizations today. The tourist attraction of Arezzo are the legacy of the many artists, architects, and poets who lived there, like Volterra. Vault Cortona was an Etruscan settlement and later a Roman one, but adds reminders of its Florentine past as well. Cortona is one of Italy's oldest towns. The proximity of these hill towns to the cities of Florence, Pisa, and Lucca fills Tuscany with a concentration of many of the best places to visit in Italy. The Sing Tree. The five towns that cling to the steep, rocky Mediterranean coast north La Spezia were almost impossible to reach by land until the railway connected them by tunneling through the headlands that separate them. Today, the trail along the cliffs that locals once used to travel from town to town is one of Italy's greatest hikes, the shortest and widest of its selections between Manarola and Riomaggiore is known as the Via del Amor, with their narrow streets dropping down to tiny rock-bound harbors, are the most filled with character. And despite its recent popularity with tourists, the Cinque Terre remains one of Italy's most appealing attractions. The fifth one is Sardinia. This enigmatic Mediterranean island seems worlds apart from Italy and is itself a land of stark contrasts. Best known for its glamorous Costa Smeralda, the jet-set paradise of luxury enclaves set against the emerald waters of northeast coast, Sardinia has a lot more to offer the adventurous tourist or even the sun-loving beach seeker. The entire south is ringed with mile after mile of white sand beaches, and the rugged interior is prime territory for hikers and climbers. It's a place for travelers who want to explore remote mountain villages where old traditions not only survive but are a way of life. But the most enigmatic and fascinating attractions are the hundreds of mysterious round stone towers known as Nurag, which dot the entire world and make Sardinia high on the list of unique places to visit in Italy. Prehistoric sites are everywhere. These stars, sacred wells, giant tombs, and other ancient structures, entire Phoenicians and Roman cities wait to be explored. The last one is Venice. Venice, who could fail to love a city whose streets are made of water, whose buses are boats, and where the songs of gondoliers linger in the air? It is a magic city, and its major attraction to tourists is the city itself. The hub of the city is the Board Piazza St. Mark's Square, surrounded by several of its top tourist attractions. The Great Basilica of St. Mark stands beside the Doge's Palace, and overlooking both is the tall Campanile. Gondolas congregate at the end of the plaza in the Grand Canal, and in the other direction, a gate under the clock tower leads into a warren of narrow, winding passageways where you are sure to get lost on the way to Rialto Bridge. But getting lost is one of the greatest pleasures of Venice, where a postcard scene awaits around each corner. If you like to visit Venice, you can check out my previous video, that is best places to visit in Venice. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.